I learned this at a floristry course. Pour water into a vase, then arrange your favorite flowers around an upside-down wine glass. I used tulips. Add a few green accents so the arrangement looks natural and fresh. Place a candle on top of the inverted glass. And that's it. You get a beautiful centerpiece almost for free. Just light the candle and it instantly adds lightness, elegance, and atmosphere to your interior. This trick keeps my tulips fresh for 2 weeks. Start by removing the leaves. Tulips are beautiful flowers that symbolize spring and renewal, and with the right arrangement, they can become a stunning decoration. They represent elegance, love, and rebirth, making them perfect for various occasions. Now use a knife to make 2 or 3 small cuts in the stems. This helps shape them more easily. Once prepared, gently curve the tulip into a circular shape and place it in a vase with water. Add 2 or 3 tulips per vase, depending on its size, to create a full and elegant bouquet. Then, place candles between the flowers. Light them up, and the arrangement is complete. The tulips look stunning, and the entire setup creates a unique, romantic atmosphere. It's a decoration that catches the eye and impresses with its subtle elegance. Perfect for special moments when you want to bring a touch of magic into your space. A great way to make the most of your tulips. Cut the roses with scissors. This is a florist's secret trick. I'll show you how to revive a wilted rose when it starts to lose its charm. All you need are scissors and a firm cut. Trim off the entire wilted part of the rose. This will remove any unsightly ends. Not only will your rose instantly look fresher, but it will also gain more volume. Just a handful is enough, and your flowers will bloom like crazy. They will be covered in blossoms and fill your entire balcony. Every pest will be avoided. See how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Pour a handful of rice into a glass. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. To the resulting paste, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Finally, pour the liquid into a spray bottle using a funnel. Your homemade spray is ready to use. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use and spray it on your flowers. This treatment provides essential nutrients to the plants and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your flowers will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural fertilizer.